Hello everyone, you guys are welcome back to my channel. Thank you for always subscribing and your encouragement and your prayers. I really appreciate you guys. In today's class, I want to show us how to cut a simple free dress. You can also call it kimono, whichever way you want to call it. That's fine. So this is I'm making use of 3 yards. I'm making use of 3 yards. So if you look at the way I'm folding this fabric now, this is the cloth side because I want to cut both the front and the back together. So this is it. If you look at this upper part now, this side is open. This side is open. So all you need to do is just fold like this and make sure this one is lapping 1 inch above this one. So something like this. You can see 1 inch. This one will come out 1 inch more than this down one. So this down one, this is the back. This is going to be the back part. So this one now is going to be the front. The front is open. You understand? And it's going to come out 1 inch more than this back, like this. So after that, just land the shoulder with 2 inches. Just land the shoulder with 2 inches. Just land the shoulder like this. Then you are going to get the desired length. So here I'm using 41 inches. So this is 41 inches here. Then you can decide to just add 1 inch for the hemming allowance at the down part. So if you like, you can decide to use iron to just fold this place so that they will be both the front and the back will be equal for now, because this 1 inch allowance I'm leaving here is going to be for the button allowance. It's going to be for the button allowance, so it's going to lap on each other at the end of everything. So you can decide to just do this so that you'll be able to take the measurement from here. That is the mid back. You are going to place the tape at the center of your back. Then you measure through your sleeve to wherever you want the arm to the sleeve to stop. You understand? So in this case now, I think I'm going to use the shoulder plus the sleeve length. Everything together is going to be 25. That is from this point. It's going to be 25. So this is it. So mind you, whatever you have from here is what you're still going to have from here. So you just connect and you cut it all through like this. So now after when you might have gotten the sleeve length from here to here and you cut like this. So now you are going to measure 12 inches. You are going to measure 12 inches from here. Let me drag it so that you see clearly. You are going to measure 12 inches from this point, because here is going to have a band. The round sleeve is going to have a band. So this 12 inches you are leaving out here, you are going to plait it around the band, or you do the gathers, whichever one you want to do, either pleating or gathers. So all you need to do is just get a round sleeve like this. Then you can cut a band of like 3 inches wide. Then the round sleeve measurement, then you're going to pleat this place around it, or you gather it. So that's that around here. So you're not sure that you know what you're doing. So the neckline, I told you, I said you can fold this place like this so that it will enable you get the actual measurement you want to use. So the neck now, just take 4 inches here. or 3.5 depending on how wide you want it. Then the depth, you can use 8 inches or 7 inches depending on how wide you want it, how deep you want it, sorry. So from there you connect like this, as if you're cutting a sweetheart shape, something like this. So this is it. So this back part now, just measure 1 inch here, then you cut like this. So this down part is not going to be straight, but if you like, you can leave it straight. So I'm just going to do is I'll just measure 5 inches from here, 5 inches from here, then I'll measure 10 inches from here. It's not constant depending on how long you want it. So what I need to, the purpose why I'm taking this 5 inches and this 10 inches is just to curve the down of the dress like this. So from that 5 inches, just curve to this side, to this 10 inches I measured. That is something like this. Then you are going to blend it together with this round sleeve, this down part, I mean. From this 10 inches, just blend it, you understand, to this front part. Only the front, we are not touching the back. So you are going to blend it like that. So if you look at this 1 inch we left out here now, you see that we are having our button allowance because it's going to lap on each other. So this other side too, if you like, you can curve it. Then if you like, you can leave it like this. It depends on your choice. So that is how it's going to look like. That's that about it. So joining it now, all you need to do is just join the shoulder. Then you are going to leave you are going to join the shoulder from here to here. Then you are going to leave this 12 inches. You close this other side too. You aim the down part. Then this front, if you like, you can cut facing to turn the neck from here. Then if you like, you can just decide to use cutting bias to just pipe inside. That is this side. After joining the shoulder, you use cutting bias to pipe through, that is all through the neck, then to this side, then to this downside. So as simple as that. And this other side, another thing on this other side, these are 12 inches that you're leaving out. If you like, you can put that band. If you like, you can decide not to put band, then you just put elastic. You just put elastic on it. So it depends on your choice. Then after everything, if you like again, you can decide to put patch pockets just on the two sides. Just put patch pockets, something like this. So you can decide to just put patch pocket here, patch pocket, and you can still decide not to put it. So it's as simple as that. So this is it, just like I explained after joining. After when you might have joined the shoulder, this is 12 inches. This is the band I was telling you about. I've already cut the band and I pleated that 12 inches around the band. The same thing on this other side. So if you look at this front now, you see that it's lapping. You understand? So you're going to put a pressing button here, or whichever button you want to put, you put it here. Or if you don't want to even close it, you can just leave it open like that. So this is the down part. If you look at it, see that it's curved. And this other side, I decided to curve this other side too. So I can't put it on, sorry for you guys to see, but that is just the basically that is just how to do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Please don't forget to share and subscribe. See you guys next time.